Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Ermou Hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and videos online that how you can buy guest rooms or their stay. Its review rating is 7.6, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. To talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen it's required to present photo ID at check-in the hotel, except major credit cards are reserved the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is fine and yes, love to enjoy the surroundings. The categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. There will be one offers are available online for this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our